Bleeding after sex is not normal, and here is why you should not ignore it. So, today we're going to talk about a very tragic incident where a young female lost her life because she suffered from postcoital tear during the intercourse. She bled so much, and her partner did not know what to do. So, let's talk about postcoital tear today. Now, what exactly is postcoital tear? So, whenever you're having intercourse, there is some sort of friction around the vaginal walls, right? So, whenever there is certain injury to the vaginal tissue during the act of intercourse, it is known as postcoital tear. Now, postcoital tear can be mild, where you know the bleeding is going to be little and it is going to stop. Second thing is, it can be severe. You can bleed so much, and if you don't seek medical help immediately, you can actually lose your life. Now, why exactly does postcoital tear happens? So sometimes when there is not enough lubrication, there can be a lot of friction around the vaginal walls, which can actually lead to postcoital tear. Second thing is, if there is certain sort of vaginal infection or any kind of cervical infection, that can also weaken the vaginal tissues and then lead to bleeding, right? And third thing is, whenever you're indulged in rough intercourse, or if you're using any kind of sharp objects, any kind of unnatural things, apart from that, if you're using any kind of sex toys you don't exactly know how to use, that can also lead to postcoital tear. Now, if you are in that situation, what exactly you have to do? Stay tuned for part 2.